Okay, guys, thank you very much for being with me today. So today we are going to have another new video about how to connect your HTTP custom VPN free internet to your PC. So without wasting time, let's go on, and don't forget to subscribe, right? If you are with me, I'm not lonely, so make sure you subscribe and you click the like button so that you will be notified anytime I get a new video for you guys. And without wasting time, let's start that, and at the end we are going to also continue with the Udemy courses. Thank you very much. Stay with me and let's go on. Let's go. Connect it to our PC. So for the first time, I want you guys to do it the normal way you guys did it, alright? So as you want to connect your mobile phone to your PC to use your mobile data on your PC, what you do is you turn on your hotspots, right? If you can't see your hotspot here, just go to settings, go to your device settings, then you go to connections. There's mine. So as you can see yours also. Then you go to mobile hotspot and turn, right? The turn, okay. Then there's where you will turn it on or off, right? Mobile hotspot, then you can turn it on or off, right? So as I click here, you can see my phone name, right? You can see the name of my network, right? Network name. There's it, and you can see my password as well. So let me change the name to Galaxy, and the password, you can use it, right? Anytime you see I'm around, just use it, right? Because this is free for you. You will have my password now. Okay, so as you can see, it's turned on. So let's connect it to our PC, as you all know. So for the first time, you go to the PC. Okay, guys, so we come to our PC, and what we are going to do is we are going to connect to our mobile hotspot as we have done it. So we come here to our network. If you can't see it here, you can go to your network and then you go to settings and then move to your network, and you can see that the Galaxy that we set is here. So we click on the Galaxy, then we connect, right? Okay, so we are waiting for it to connect. Okay, so guys, you can see that it's connected, right? As you can see here, it's connected. The no internet secure here, but there's no internet. So let's try to open something in our browser as well. Let's try to open something in our browser. Okay, let's open something in our browser, and even MTN is telling us that we don't have any internet, right? So let's open something here. Let's try something like youtube.com, right? So YouTube, okay, then let's try YouTube. Okay, so you guys can see that it's not working, right? It's not working. The network is not working. So let's go back to the phone, right? Okay, guys, so we are going to connect it, and in this time we are going to get the free internet on our PC, right? So where we are going to now is we are going to our HTTP custom. So you click on that. We click on that. Then as you can see here, first thing to do is to connect, right? Let your internet connect so that you can see that yes, actually your network is connected before we proceed. So you can see that mine is connected, right? Okay, so you get to the top here where you can see my hand, where you can see it, this thing, and then you open that thing, small menu there. Then you see share net, the first one you click on share net, and you can see what I have ticked, right? What I have ticked green, that one is the proxy socket server. That's what you have to turn it on. Turn it on before you do anything. Turn it on before you proceed also, right? So when you turn that one on, just come back on your phone, then make sure you turn off your hotspot and turn it on again. But if your hotspot is off now, you can just turn it on, right? We want something here, and what we want here, like we want it to be turned on. We want our HTTP custom to connect before it turns on, right? So as you guys can see, you turn it off, then you turn it on again, right? Turn it off, then you turn it on again. And as you can see at the bottom, you can see set proxy client. The bottom there, we have IP address and give us a port of 7071. As you guys can see there, that is what we are going to use on our PC. So make sure you have that one in mind, or maybe you can look at your phone and then you type it as where we are going. So now we are done with the phone, and now let's move back to the PC and connect it over there. Okay, so now we are starting on our PC, right? So the first thing to do is make sure your network is disconnected, right? You shall have to disconnect. You can see that I have disconnected mine. The Galaxy is disconnected. So we just move on. The first thing to do is go to settings, right? Get your settings. Alright, so this is where mine is, network and internet. So where we will go is the network and internet, right? So you click on network and internet. Okay, so when you click on the network and internet, that's where it will take you, right? So we are going to locate the proxy. At the bottom you can see the proxy, right? You can just type that one on your start button, right? Your start button, you go to your start button, then you type it over there, or you come here and follow the same process I was following, and you will get here also. So you just click on the proxy, right? So here you will scroll down, and as you can see at the bottom here, this is where we are going to type down IP address and the port we get on our HTTP custom. So the first thing to do is to turn on user proxy server. That's the manual proxy setup, right? So I have one in. Let me delete that one and let's start it new. So here is talking about the address, and we will type the IP address on our HTTP custom that we get, right? And everyone's own will be different, right? It will not be like it's my own, it's the one I'm using. You also have your own IP address, so make sure you follow the same process and you are going to get here as well. So the IP address is 192.168 dot 141.245, right? That's the IP address, and let's go to the port, and the port is 7071, and the port is the same, right? The port, I think all the ports are the same, right? So it's the same port that you are going to use in yours, but the IP address will definitely change from mine, right? Yours will be different from mine, or if it's the same thing, just type it, right? Okay, so after that, just click on save, right? If you click on save, let's go back and let's go to our network and connect it again, right? Just connect it again and see it will connect, right? So connect your network again.
And sometimes you will see this redirecting. That means it is actually working, right? You see this redirecting, you can see that the network is actually working, right? You can see that the network is working. But all the same, let's go to YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. Okay, just type YouTube and let's see if it is actually working. Alright, let's see if our YouTube is actually working. Okay, we are not wasting time. You can see that actually our network is now working perfectly, right? You can see your network is working perfectly. So you can continue and do whatever you want to do on your PC and at the same time on your phone. So what I want to tell you guys, what you have to note is whenever you want to connect any network to your PC, if it's not the HTTP custom, just make sure you turn off the manual proxy setup always. When it's not your HTTP custom, just turn off your manual proxy setup, else your network is not going to work, right? So make sure you take this note whenever you are connecting any network apart from your HTTP custom. So guys, this is where we will end the lecture today. So we will continue next time, and I will not show my face again today. But what I want you to do is make sure you subscribe and you click on the like button so that you won't miss any secret videos that you need to know and do them, right? So the next thing we are going to do is continue with the Udemy courses, right? So you will meet me and that one too. Bye bye.